Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, today's video is all about your wellness. Yes, as you can see, I have lemon and I have ginger. Yes, in the plastic we have ginger. It is a well blended ginger. That's why it's looking like. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of cold, catarrh, and also lose weight with these two items. Okay, so if this is the kind of content you love, keep watching. So I have 3 lemon here. Yes, I'm going to first massage the lemon so I can squeeze out the juice well. If you want to get the juice well, that means you have to massage your lemon, massage it well. You will see after massaging it, it's going to look soft. Okay, so this is the way I do massage it for more juice. Now you can see I'm trying to press it. You see that it's soft now. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and wash it because I'm going to be cooking both the peel. I'm washing the 3 of them. Yeah, so the next thing is I'm going to get my knife and cut it into 2. Yes, I'm going to peel off the head here and cut the lemons into 2. So guys, as you are watching, I know you are going to learn a lot of things from this video. Please give this video a massive thumbs up and also share this video, okay, so that others can benefit from it. Yes, so I'm still cutting the lemon into 2. Yes. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to get my squeezer and squeeze out the juice from the lemon. As you can see, it's easier now. It's no longer stressful to squeeze. If you just massage your lemon, trust me, you are going to get a good juice from your lemon. I'm going to go ahead to squeeze out the juices. Yes, squeeze all the juices out and set the peels aside. Growing old like a ghost, I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over, but until we do, it's sleeping soon. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. So this is the juice now. Trust me, if you massage your lemon well, you get a good quantity of the juice. Yes, so the next thing is the ginger. This ginger is looking this way because I blended it in good quantity. I washed both the bag and blended it together. Okay, so I do this so it will be easier for me because I do cook this almost every day and store it in my freezer. Maybe you should try the same and thank me later. Okay, so this is the ginger I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you the quantity I'm going to use in making this. So the next thing is my jug. This is actually my blender, but the blender is faulty, so I transformed it into my jug. Yes, it's still beneficial to us. Okay, so I'm going to be using this jug to measure the quantity of water I'm going to be using. Yes, I'm going to be using 2 jugs of water to make this. The next thing, get your clean pot, pour in the 2 jugs of water into the clean pot. The next thing, add the peel you got from the lemon, the back of the lemon. Add it into the water. After adding the peel of the lemon, you now add your ginger. I'm adding 2 spoons of this ginger. Yes, 2 spoons is okay for the quantity I'm making, so it depends on the quantity you're making. Yeah, I'm making this for I and my husband, so we are taking it for the whole day. Cover and allow it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Yes, it has boiled up to 5 to 7 minutes now. Yes, it has boiled well, so I'm going to take it down and allow it cool off for some minutes. It has cooled down for some minutes. I'm going to give it a good stir. Next thing, I'm going to get my sieve. Make sure you have this type of sieve, this tiny hole, so the particles will not be in the juice. Okay, so I'm going to pour in the lemon water, the lemon and ginger water into my jug. You can see the particles I was talking about in the sieve. Yes, this is the reason why you should get this type of sieve before sieving the lemon juice. So this is it. I'm going to get my lemon juice. This is the lemon juice I squeezed out. I'm going to add it in my lemon water now. I'm going to add half of the lemon juice because this is 2 jugs. I made 2 jugs of lemon juice. So right now the juice is ready. I'm going to take some that I'm going to be having for the day. Yeah. Top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast. Right now, the juice is ready to be served. Yes, this is it. You can see it's looking so neat and beautiful. So guys, I hope this is going to help you someday, today, tomorrow or next. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this moment, kindly subscribe and also give this video a massive thumbs up, and also share this video so it can help someone tomorrow. Trust me, this helps a lot, especially in this winter season with cold, cough and catarrh. Is going to help a lot. Please help and share this video out, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Yes, I love you all. Keep on supporting this girl. I love you all. I love you all so much. Thank you for always coming to support your baby girl. Okay, yes, this is the end of this video. I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye.